Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about handler.defined property. So, in the next lecture, I will suggest you to go check it out, what we learned. But in the next lecture, we have learned the object.defined property. In this lecture, we will learn about the handler.defined property, which creates uh, which creates a trap for object.defined property. So let's begin. What we're gonna do is const handler equals, oh, sorry about that. It's just made an array though. So now what we're gonna do is define property, and inside that we will put target comma key comma descriptor, and we will put invariant, and inside that what we're gonna do, put key comma define. So you hope you understand by now that what we are doing, we are creating an password method, return true. Now what we're gonna do is create a function, use invariant. Inside that we will type key comma action, and we will use inside that a if statement. If key 0 equals and underline. So what gonna happen is use the throw operator, and beside that we will use the new operator and error. And inside that you will type the the backtick for string, and we will just type with me invalid a temp to $, action, and what we're gonna do is put private and beside that key property. After that what we're gonna do is use monster. Here that's unusual name though, I know. Use an object, and then we will do is create a new proxy. First we need to make an constant object, and what we're gonna do, use the new operator, use the proxy constructor, and inside that what we're gonna do is use monster1 comma handler1. Oh, it should be handler1, it would be easy for us. to recognize, you know. And now what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use proxy 1 dot secret equals, and now what we're gonna do, use a string easily secret. And now if we do that, it will say invalid attempt to define. So oh, there's a error. What I done? Oh, it should be proxy 1. Yeah, I did something wrong again. So invalid. Yeah, that's it. This is what we want. It would be an uncaught error. I didn't see that, sorry about that. And what we're gonna do is catch the error and print it on. So what we're gonna do is use error. When you don't do that, it will say that. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next tutorial.